If you want drink Coke, una dey open Coke, you go foam. No, calm down, hold on where. Open them gently. Gently. You see how? You see as it foam small? You come. And I dey craze. Since where I come, they don't give me drink.
You know that any day where you on gas, one cook, you can't tell yourself, so boy, this my gas don't last though. Now that day they finish you.
Another one. Hey, three. Other people na 5. Oh. Hey, 4. Other people na 6. Una don't broke. Una don't broke. Una why know before? By now you gonna reach 1 million.
So I wait, they spray me like this. I hope I don't resemble girl for this stage. M.O.P.
Sorry, slip of tongue. Sorry.
M.O.P. Sleep of tongue.
Don't you understand what you go make man they look in fellow man? Homo people una dey here. Eh? You homo with this head. Who want follow? How man go carry a fellow man? I don't understand. Woman to woman, they explainable. Girl and girl. For example, these two beautiful ladies, if they are two, they do lesbianism. Is they explainable? You gonna hear something like, ouch, oh Lizzie, ouch, cheesy, ouch, Lizzie, put your hand inside, oh, suck it, ouch. It is sweet for ear. Are they like, how man and man go to do homo? Imagine DJ Odiho now. Imagine DJ Odiho. And this my chairman na joke, I come. And this my chairman. Imagine say they want to do homo. Imagine say now this my chairman now na woman. This Odiho na man. This my chairman now with him black face, kodo, ingo tonyash, hair, ajin, aquara, everything. Ingo just turn up. This one like go from back. Conde na kind. How man want to give man soundtrack? How man normally if you carry girl, she gonna say, oh my God, fuck me hard. Oh, how man want to take the do you gonna something like, oh boy, take a miss, oh boy. Oh boy, you go with me, oh boy, Julian, you get me on my hot touch, boy, you get me on my oh Jesus. How man? I've been watching this table from there. Chairman, I want to tell you something. This is Mattel. You don't rush it. This is Mattel. Excuse me, sir. If you want to drink this drink, watch me. Watch. They know the Russia. First of all, you pour small. If you pour small, they know they use Coke, Miss Mattel. That was where you got it wrong. Now, you swallow them. If you like them, pour again. That's Mattel. Now, if you want to drink the second one, first one you swallow them, second one no swallow them like that. You go drink them 2 times. 1, 2. Now, how you drink Mattel no be how you drink Coke. If you want to drink Coke, una dey open Coke, you go foam. No, calm down, hold on where. Open them gently. You see how? You see as it foam small. You come. And I dey craze. Since where I come, they don't give me drink. Give person drink on the wine. My brother, 50,000. Who throw this money? Who throw? Now 50,000. You will not throw. You say my account. Now your type they sabi other people plate number. You know go get car. Who throw this money? Boss, I reach my boss. I mean, help me pray for him. Boss, anything where they pursue, any sudden death is not your portion in Jesus' name. Accident is not your portion in Jesus' name. In fact, boss, anything where they pursue you this week, make that thing leave you, they pursue me in Jesus' name. If you pursue me for 2 days, you don't get me. Make it still they pursue you in Jesus' name. I know what you do. Other people, now they throw 2, you reach my turn and I can't throw 1. Nah, it be like you don't broke. Another one. Hey, 3. Other people na 5. Oh. Hey, 4. Other people na 6. Una don't broke. Una don't broke. Una why know before? By now you gonna reach 1 million. Una don't broke. Oh. Una don't broke. Country no good. Then you carry woman. You. 5 girl. Eh? Might give you. I think say be DJ. I don't know say be Curtis. So. My brother, go one show for Ikorodu. I don't know say na so that place be. I finish show. I dey go house. 3 guys just call me. As I just dey pass, 9 the guys call me. Ace, comedian, show. I don't know what's in that happen. I go answer these boys. You know say You get a kind slap where person go give you. That person will slap you, no talk anything. But inside your ear, you gonna hear something. Now in the first one, give me for my ear. Teuru, teuru, teuru. I dey hear for my ear. Open your phone. Open your phone. I collect my phone. Open for this guy. The other one from back. Give me. Taser, taser, taser. I dey hear for my ear. Run, run, run. Now I dey come out from Aja Sangotedo. Person won't collect my phone for early morning. I dey do road work. They come. Person won't collect my phone from bush. Come out. Follow me. They run. Next thing why here? Oh boy, where your phone? I give him the phone. The guy enter inside bush. As I still dey run, another person come out to collect the phone. Now me come tell the person, Chairman, you come late. The other person don't collect her. I like how you're laughing. Are you a virgin? You don't see you are virgin piece before. If virgin call your house one piece, very sweet and romantic. Oh my God, Rufus, your house is fine. Oh my God, she go to shy. Where is your toilet? You go tell her, she go enter. She go just go shift her. This you go yeah. Simple. On another thing they call Akwampi. On another thing be Akwampi. I showered on peace for your house before. Hey, from door, they run the fine toilets. From door, Rufus toilet, they let toilet. You go just show them, they go enter. You go here. You go there. Boom, boom, boom. You go come add a small mess. I shower. I beg, I don't too get time. I don't even know say. Why this money they scatter? I might pack my money, they go. Fuel money don't show. M.O.P. You know, come perform. Money go soon finish. Alright, thank you very much.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.
And I go spoil this my performance. So Jesus, who they do that thing? Money from everywhere.
One more.
Hold on. Dodge. Now I know why. Guy, no. This is the most trying time ever. No, they just allow the money to roam. You know that time was small, eh? If children, that time was small. If big man children, their neighbor house they eat, their mama will come beat them. Now, Baba food no there anywhere. I say our landlord children they eat for our neighbor house. I say stop, their mama they like and I say uncle leave us. My mama say anywhere I will see food more they chop. Oh. Everywhere don't rugged, brah. See the price of food now. When last you see convoy, Baba stole my left eye. I don't suffer. Things. And you know that at this period, you go just stay your house, everything go finish at once. Everything go finish. Your milk, your Milo, everything, food, everything go just finish at once. Baba, this thing don't turn chakwando. I know if it's on, I spoil my performance so for this economy. Baba spoil them. I dey mad. You know, as I slim. You know that any day where you on gas, one cook. You can't tell yourself, so boy, this my gas don't last. Now that day they finish. Oh. You know? If them born you were boy beans, just say you want boy beans, you're gone. After you go to beg your neighbor to make you be using gas, they finish your Baba, this Nigeria condition, eh? See price of fuel. How much be fuel for your area? When last you see convoy? What's going on? Baba, man, I perform. And I just they perform. Okoloba. They perform. You have 15 minutes. Take my time. Baba, it takes God's grace for this economy to do show. All these men come out to one I beg, one I clap for God. Inside. Now, wow. Thank God I don't bring my parents. I greet you, Okoloba. Last 2 years, you there abroad, send money, he pay you, say you don't come. Now you want to make it up. So I wait, they spray me like this. I hope I don't resemble girl for this stage. M.O.P. Waiting, I really do now.
Clap for Jesus.
Baba man has spray me. I don't try.
Clap for Jesus.
No worry. Just come down. Leave him. As far as he takes stage, leave him. Yeah, just leave him because he go to spoil for camera. See the way economy dey. You know say with the way fuel price dey now. Gone are the days where you go on drive come out, you go come out, come first warm your car. No fuel for that warming. Once you put key, au revoir. This economy be like this. Irresponsible man, don't know what God do for him. Because you go even go your junior sister wedding, family go contribute your transport, so you go use go back. Still give you food stuff from the wedding. I mean they say a shower way in landlord now humanize, I don't know what God do for him. Because you're not going to pay with cash. Church, my guy, go this Sunday now because of fuel. They're not going on to church food. Pastor, say make everybody on their touch, Baba. Guy, this show, bro, I never suffer like this before. You know the way things dey now, you get the way you go lodge for hotel, then go say make everybody come for reception, come watch TV. Say na small gen they on. Is that bad oh? My experience for this show, you get one chairman. Where in table day. Once I put coming soon of my show, now in the first buy table. This year. And that chairman tell me, so boy, you know, say, I did for you. If you want to pick anybody for airports, I go help you do running around. Say, you know, so I get 2 cars, I go fuel them. Anything where you want, that day, oh. You know, when you finish, you know, when you post your show, you know, the chairman then gets attitude, then gets character. If you send BC, these big men, they need to reply. So, you know, anytime where anyone you post, in repost, just know say don't broke. Because they don't really get that time, bro. They don't really. And you know that once you do show like this, or chairman promise you money, you can greet them every time for WhatsApp. Where young money? If you know how many good money, sir, why send this young money? Baba, he no be saying this, he busy. Send anything he post, I go like. Anything he post, I go say nice one. You come post one, WhatsApp, they hang on, the thing never really show that right nice one. I don't say I'm in frame, I'm away die. Talking about award, now one of the things why I hate pass for this life. Awards, all those comedy award, hip TV award, because na scam, both who they give and who then they give. No, now how they go call you now? For example, this is an awards house. They can call you now, say the best comedian of the year 2024 goes to a cappella. You can say, you can come out, collect the award, can say, I wasn't expecting this. Now you baff where come sit down for front. You didn't expect that now you sew new suits, do hair, wear bling bling, my brother. Now wow. Now let me talk to the girls. Those days, and now don't change. I beg girls, wanna tell us wetin be the real sign of green lights? Because before once you and get there, she dey drink with happiness, she need a look time. She can't tell you can't tell her say you're going home with me. She agree. On her reach house, she won't bath, say I need something to change into. It don't work. Then, Baba now, hey, that guy go there your front, smoke shisha, smoke codeine, smoke everything. On her go reach out, she feel naked for 15 minutes, they drink Hennessy from your bar. Still go bath, come out, if you touch and go slap your hand. See, this is what I came here for. Let me just book my Uber now. That's the personal joke. My God don't review secrets. Fuck. We discuss it, we'll not talk this outside. But to the rush to the, you know, now we can't this whole knack thing, it don't, it's overemphasized. Life now about opportunity. Remember when we small, when we be teenage, when we be teenager, as young boys, for like 6 months, you go get condom for your wallet. You never see opportunity to use them. That one feel boss, where you sit down on top, boss. You go buy another 2 boots. You never see opportunity to use them. Now that we are ready, you know that if you knock for 6 months, you never see opportunity to use condom. It's crazy, man. Baba, when I don't perform, when I let me perform, bros. Okoloba. I beg. Mama just perform for that people. You don't spray, people don't spray, make them enjoy joke now. Yeah, I know my landlord, I dey pay and I'm free. Why did you stop me? Yeah, I'll take it to him. I did 100,000 for rent. He called 100,000 on my table. This life, nobody dey pity for anybody, Baba. Team man, do man, fuck man. Like big man, you know that to wish big man happy birthday, eh? Now very simple thing. Young money now, where young money? Young money now, if you want wish, in follow big man DJ happy birthday. As he enter 12 a.m., if you don't remember till midnight, if you don't even post down, but for night, all of them go somewhere and go burn like 15-20 million. Poor man, you go just they wait. They wait for 12 to knock. I know that you didn't go post me. I just they watch. You know you get work. You they wait for 12:01. Who go post you? Abba, poverty is bad. And if you stay here, one thing where you go take know whether you really broke. On a snap group picture, for example, DGN, Young Money, and Dutch. Come snap picture with Ayama. They won't come celebrate DGN. Anything we made them post that picture, can't use emoji, cover Ayama face. Guy, this show stress me, bro. For the first time, I see where chairman they hide. I got my chairman. I tell with engagement, they see him. He there for generator house. They say, I know they. Guy, he read. Some now yesterday and this morning in the beginning. Wait, why are they wait for the day of the show? One of the plans are go die. Eh? What have you cancelled? Who's have you died? Ah? My landlady, I'm stranded. Oh, and God bless you. They're not going to increase rent. Guy, this Lagos stress. See the on our way from NaijaComedy self, bro. I hear now. See the traffic shut down. You came from Ajaya, others never still make them. You come down, trek some. It's mad. Lagos, bro. No. If you know they stay Lagos, you know go fit stay Lagos. You don't ever take traffic. You don't ever take traffic light like this. You just they drive for your lane. They drive. The next minute you know they any lane. These people don't come like this. These people come like this. You go on navigator here, this guy go throw away face. You on navigator here, this guy go throw away face. You was stranded. We are M.O.P themselves. Billionaire is here. M.O.P. Correct man. They try for us. Look, you know they like too much shouting. We just send your account. Boy, after you do okay, to say bros are deal. To say this is no sound well. Send your account. For man to do this kind of thing. Baba, wanna help me for that side? Wanna perform and overshadow my own? You don't see. If you stay in Lagos and you don't stay Lagos well, you know go fit tell me say estate security never frustrate you. If you stay here, estate security never frustrate you before. Raise your hand. You know that you get the way. No matter how big you dey, those estate security, when they don't frustrate you like this, one of my guys, they forget. I don't call for Ramo. Nine ask am what's your name? He say Chinedu Forms. They tell us somebody don't call. If no be comedy, who be one ballet? Who is one ballet? If no be comedy? You understand me? You know if get them right for this Lagos complete. Every policy way they see here, they just they manage, but no area complete. If on a road smooth, on a need to get light. If on a they get light, on a need to get network, or cheat people.